Subject EVS Standard 2nd. Hello dear students, I am Asma Khan. In this video, we will learn an interesting topic. Before starting a topic, I am going to tell you a story. So children, are you ready to listen a story? Yes, very good. Now, I am going to tell you a story. You will listen carefully. Okay children, this is a very interesting story. Children, what can you see in the picture? Yes, you're right. This is a Nobita. And in this picture, yes, this is Doraemon. Okay. So, Nobita is very lazy boy. He used to always postpone things. Now, you can see here Nobita's parents are there. Okay. So, one day his parents called him and made him understand the value of time. He said, who father? Nobita's father said, you should never waste time. Nobita promised his father he would never postpone things. Now, he came to know that he had won the first prize in the singing competition that is held in a school. Nobita was asked to collect the prize on the very same day as usual. Now, Nobita didn't care and take a rest. And what? He went to take the prize next day. Now, next day he woke up and went to take the prize. And he felt happy when he see the sir. Now the prize was useless as it was a ticket to a circus that was held on the previous day. And now Nobita feel very sad and he hugged to the Doraemon and start crying because the prize was useless. Now Nobita learned the lesson from this incident. So children, what do you understood to listen this story? Think seriously and give the answer. Yes, you're right. Time is very valuable. So we should always do things on time. So now today we are going to learn the topic name is time. Doing everything on time is said to be disciplined and punctual. To know the time we use clocks. Let us now learn more about time. We divided day into morning, afternoon, evening and night. So we divided day into morning, afternoon, evening and night. Now let's discuss more about time. Let's see first morning. Okay children, what we will see? Morning time. Okay. What can you see in the picture? Yes, you're right. Sun rises. So when the sun rises in the east, it is morning. When the sun rises, you can see in the picture also, sun rises in the east direction. It is morning. We wake up and get ready to go to school. When we wake up in the morning and get ready to go to school, at this time of the day, our shadow is long. There is a light all around. It is daytime. The cock crows and birds chirp when the sun rises. You can see in the picture. Yes, this is cock. Cock crows and birds chirp. You can see in this picture also. Yes. So when the sun rises. Children, what can you see in the picture? Yes, you are right. The sun rises in the 8s. So it's what? Morning time. It is morning time. Right? When the sun is overhead, it's noon time. This is when morning ends and afternoon begins. You can see in the picture, morning ends and afternoon begins. We have lunch in the afternoon. It is hot in the afternoon. So children, you understood? And the sun sets in the west. This time is evening. Evening is the part of day when afternoon ends. We go home and have milk. We play with our friends and also study. Now children, what can you see in the picture? Yes, you are right. This is what? Sky. In that what? Moon and stars are there. So gradually it becomes dark. It is night now. Moon and hundreds of twinkling stars appear in the sky. You can see here? Yes. This means that the day has ended. We have our dinner and go to sleep at night. Now, the next morning, when the sun rises again, a new day begins. One day is divided into hours, minutes, and seconds. Let's see. Children, time is very important for every one of us, right? People use wall clock or watch to know the time. Children, what can you see in the picture? Yes, you're right. This is a clock. The numbers within the circle and round shape piece is called dial of phase. You can see here. Yes, this is called dial of phase of the clock. We see two hands. Can you see here? Next watch. Yes, here what? How many hands? Two hands. Okay. We see two hands of which long hand and short hand. Long hand shows minutes. Long hand shows minutes and short hand shows hours. Short hand shows hours. We also see that numerals from 1 to 12. You can see in the picture. Yes. We also see that numerals from 1 to 12 are at equal intervals. Children, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes of each interval indicates 5 minutes. So 12 units into 5 minutes is equal to 60 minutes. Am I right? Yes. So see in that clock also. Yes, here hence the minutes hands moves faster and it takes 1 hour to go around the clock. It starts at the numbers 12 and goes around to get back 12. So that is called what? 1 hour. That is called 1 hour because minute hour is moving fast, right? So the clock it start at the number 12 only and goes around to get back 12. So that is called as 1 hour. The time denotes by each small line is 1 minute. You can see 12 and 1. In between five lines are there. Yes. Right? Am I right? Yeah, okay. So in this small line is 1 minute. Okay. So we get 5 lines in each interval. Now we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So 5 line in each interval. Okay children? Children, look at the clock. Note the position of minutes and hours hand, okay, on his face. The minute hand is pointing to 12. Hand is pointing to 12 and hour hand is pointing to 8. It means what is the time? The time is 8 o'clock. The time is 8 o'clock. Look at another clock. Its minute hand pointing to 12 and our hand it's pointing to 4. It means the time is what? Yes, you're right, 4 o'clock. So, you understood? Children, there are 3 main units of time in a day. Okay? So, how many main units of time in a day? 3. Seconds, minutes and hours. Repeat after me. Seconds, minutes and hours. There are 60 seconds in a 1 minute. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. It means what? In 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes only. There are 24 hours in a 1 day. How many hours in a 1 day? 24 hours. Now let's see points to remember. A day has how many hours? Yes, you're right. A day has 24 hours. A day is divided into morning, afternoon, evening and night. Now next point is time is an important part of our life. We must not waste it. Now children, I will ask you few questions, okay? First question is, what time do you go to sleep? Okay, 10 o'clock, very good. 9 o'clock, okay. 12 o'clock, okay. Now next question is, what time do you get up? Okay, 7 o'clock, very good. 6, okay, in the morning 6 o'clock, okay. 8 o'clock, okay. Few students wake up early in the morning, few students wake up late in the morning. But we should to wake up early in the morning, it's good habit. Okay children. Now next question is, what times does your school starts? Yes, you're right, at afternoon 1 o'clock. When do you go to play in the park? Yes, in evening time. Okay, very good. Now it's homework time. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First question is, we eat breakfast in the dash. When we eat breakfast, what will come children? Morning and afternoon? Yes, you're right. What will come? Morning. So we eat breakfast in the morning. Now next question is, children go to play in the garden. In the dash, what will come? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, you're right. Children go to play in the garden in the evening. Now next question is, we see moon at dash. When we see moon? Yes, you're right. We see moon at night only. Very good. Next question is, write true or false. First one is, the sun sets in the evening. Next, we always see the moon at night. Third, we play at night. Fourth one, there are 24 hours in a day. Fifth one, 7 months make a year. Now next question, who am I? First one, I shine alone in the sky during the daytime. Next, I have 2 hands and I tell time. Third one, I look like a diamond in the sky at night. I hope this video is better to understand the time. Thank you.